The gates of Sukhna Lake had been opened the day before yesterday, since the source of water, that is Shivalik drains known as Sukhna was flooded due to excess soil erosion from Himachal Pradesh and deforestation. Every calamity and the city which suffers is being predicted through machine learning. These kind of barriers were not required at all. Otherwise also people were much aware about the existing cycle track. But in fact they are intentionally being provoked to remain indisciplined. There is no parking at all and not even a single extra amenity which has been added. There is no sense in painting the existing roads with embossed red color, which destroys the natural beauty of the surroundings and irritate the commuters by spoiling the tender wheels of Chinese bicycles, which are not available easily. In fact, Indian tires are very bulky and heavy, and the students which have bought expensive Chinese bicycles for the sake of own comfort are spending more and more money on maintenance just because of embossed red color, and the import is also increasing day by day. I have parked my bicycle opposite the existing Lake Club gate, where more and more banners of different private companies are being placed as a manner of extra revenue which is being distributed amongst corrupt Indians. The membership of these IT clubs and other lake clubs depends on the support or inclination towards any specific group, and if you will apply for interview to get expensive subscribed memberships, even then they will never give you impartial preference, but in fact they will send you the interview calls much later than the specific date, just to annoy and provoke you if you are not supporting them through social media and real life presence in different kinds of lavish parties and other prostitution acts being exploited by these mosque demolishing group, which can't be authenticated as a political party till extinction of Earth 1. We visited this place for the first time in 2004 after enjoying a trip of Kasoli, which in fact was a Kusani tour but changed during the last time. More and more juice shops are being opened here, and during times of rainfall or weather troubles, they don't even cooperate with the tourist by providing them any shelter or bottles for getting mineral water. The rowing boats have been replaced by diesel ones just to pollute the atmosphere and destroy the existing green belt, which was developed by Congress I during Zakir Hussain and Jawaharlal Nehru ji, who provided enough information about this place to my father, who was very close to him, being present in Trimurti as security in charge and surveillance manager for cook. The ships are parked. I can sense the diesel particles, sulfur dioxide, nitrous oxide in the atmosphere, while the mass hysteria of flooded Sukhna Lake has been quashed just to intentionally promote that Uttaranchal and Uttarakhand is not the only place. Even when 2 years have been elapsed in Himachal Pradesh, they fail to protect the environment and illegal construction. What if those flashes were indulged in deforestation that could have been managed so easily? Otherwise, also, it is not possible to row small boats manually in this drain filled with sewer water and soil eroded from Shivalik. I have posted various videos of industrialization in Shivalik Himalayas, but the Solan, Shimla, Kathgodam, and other places in Himachal Pradesh, and there is no sense in explaining the reason behind these kind of floods, which are definitely man-made and intentional, just to promote first name superimpositions of different kind of nurseries which sells plants in Chandigarh, and they are also promoting these kind of cockroaches and insects which are floating in different over flooded lakes and rivers across the country. Sukhna Lake, but the condition of Uttaranchal, Jammu and Kashmir is more pathetic. You must have noticed I am carrying water bottle with me as the kiosk owners used to charge at times the MRP of each and every beverage, coffee, masala dosa, uppam, and quality is not to an international mark of superiority. The lake can't be flooded at all. It is not practical. Otherwise, the flowers might have been destroyed completely. But most of the times, the drain leading towards this place is diverted, or the gates of dams are opened to protect this place. That is so normal and a continuous process from 1962 when Chandigarh was developed. After watching this place from helicopter surveillance, and Nehruji Panditji, who was very fond of rose flower, told my father inside Trimurti, and then he provided flower to his daughters or my sister also. That is also a cause of offline parallelism and social jealous feelings towards me, which was proven several times, and the presence of different kind of pungent smelling flower logos as owners of many nurseries are not to such level, but a kind of existing mass hysteria, while the first sedan car purchased by me was also owned by leader of mosque demolition group, who was directly indulged in provoking millions of people to destroy Babri Mosque. That could have been a probable cause also, but it can't be ignored. And when these people suffer a lot, even then they don't have any option most of the time. This come before natural punishments from real only Shiv, who lives 21 light years away from Earth 1. In the end, I should say that all of my subscribers should be aware, conscious, and alert of conspiring admins or members of different social networking groups who conspire offline against them and act in a mass area. Most of the time, they are indulging decision making which are against the prosperity and health of common persons. When God don't act in favorable manner during any part of your life, when the only option left for any person is to start believing that anything going on in his or her life might be proportional to the planning commission, the environmental causes, and long-term futuristic goals of UN also. But what if God's own survival start depending on mutual efforts from organizations and companies like the ones which I mentioned in my broadcast and a short while ago also. Metas and Ray-Ban virtual reality systems have been indigenously developed here to different kind of mass hysteria. Comparing these kinds of damaged bicycles whose parts are stolen and QR codes are not working with lift. So the Sukhna Lake travel adventure tour has been accomplished. I will reach Mani Majra instead of traveling through Rajiv Gandhi Chandigarh Technology Park, which has been overcrowded intentionally just because of the fact that parking areas are being developed and artificial fountains constructed inside those nonsense open areas after deforestation and cutting down palm trees, rose flower plants and other flora and fauna. Even this road has become very congested in past 16 years. Even when there is no construction of overbridge on railway passover crossing, people are intentionally being diverted through these kind of lanes just to promote few leftover trees. In reality, when people search for EV chargers in various applications provided by inferior quality vehicle manufacturers, they are bound to reach these kind of fictitious parking areas where not even a single private company has evolved, and when thousands
total distance 6 kilometers, total time
so-called green
24 minutes and 9 seconds,
registration plates
burnt
reached there,
139 calories, average speed 14.9
create mass
kilometers
traffic
per hour,
congestion
current speed
without
10.0
real life
kilometers
impact
per hour,
or
current
benefit
heart
to
rate 0
charging.
beats per minute.
By now, overbridge should have been constructed on this railway track to save the trees and other natural habitats. stray dogs is increasing day by day. And this place is not livable anymore. The road conditions are also deteriorating, and of course the AQI is very hazardous. In India, AQI was introduced in 2013 when all the data of different poisonous gases like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, sulfur dioxide of all the cities were collected and posted regularly on the website in early 2014. Economical car repairing, denting, painting, washing and other minor service job areas are existing here. I used to park my bicycle at this junction whenever I had to visit Santoshi Mata temple, constructed in 1864 AD, while another Santoshi Mata temple is existing between sector 24
Total distance
and 23
8.01
block
kilometers.
Tilak Nagar.
Total time 33 minutes.